I'm sure you've heard the news. Yawns are contagious. But is there a real reason behind it? Let's break it down. So, why do we yawn? Scientists used to think it was to get more oxygen, but that's not the full story. Turns out yawning helps cool down our brains almost like a mini air conditioner in your head. But what about contagious yawning? Watching someone yawn or even thinking about it often triggers your own yawn. It's linked to empathy and social bonding in humans and even some animals. Basically, when you catch a yawn, your brain is syncing up with others like a social Wi-Fi. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of staying cool and connected. Who else is yawning right now?